Hey guys, welcome back. It's been some years now since I reviewed an SL. You know, I kind of missed it. So I got this one right here. It's a 2017 SL550. Let's get inside and see if it's creaky. Ah, almost forgot. $55,000 miles. Oh, and if you guys are wondering why I have so many Mercedes-Benzes on my channel as of lately, well, they just make my job so easy. It's time for the button test. And now for the final button. Alright guys, let's address the elephant in the room here. That would be the fit and finish. This car sucks. It was very squeaky in every area that I touched. The worst culprit was definitely these gauges up here. Just so flimsily put together, although those flimsy gauges are also in the GLE and a couple other cars from this era, so it's not special to the SL. People may wonder, oh, who cares about the squeaks? As long as you don't touch anything while you're driving, you should be okay, right?
Wrong.
At some point, you're going to rest your arm on the armrest here, and when you put any kind of light pressure on it, it will make a very cheap, annoying squeaking sound. This car gets an easy 4 out of 10 for fit and finish. As far as materials go, we are looking a little bit better. All the major touch points in the car is going to be the soft touch vinyl here with some stitching in it. And I have to admit, it is pretty good feeling soft touch vinyl. I like the texture and the give. It's fairly soft. That's in all of the dash, all of the door here, and even the lower parts like your glove box and over by your knees. That is all soft touch vinyl. I can't complain about that. That's pretty nice. As far as main trim goes, I'm usually a wood or a carbon fiber kind of guy when it comes to cars like this, but this has a decent aluminum trim. You know, I like it enough. I don't know if I like it really with the red, though, if I'm honest. I'd prefer it maybe with a black, but I can live with it, I guess. These seats are pretty wonderful, I can't lie. I do love this red leather with the color contrast stitching and the black piping on here. I like it quite a bit. Not to mention the seats themselves are very comfortable, especially if you are a larger adult. And it's got the massage function and the air scarf thingy right there. Both features are fantastic. I wouldn't really say this car has a headliner. I mean, it's just vinyl, basically. It's a convertible. I don't really care about the headliner. Sun visor is the vinyl as well. Could be worse. At least it's not hard plastic. Besides the wonderfully designed air vents right here, the buttons and switchgear could be a bit better. All the buttons you see in this view right here could be out of a $30,000 C-Class. Same with buttons up here and the window controls. You know, everything is just, I don't know, a little bit too plasticky for my liking. They're not bad buttons to click down. I mean, everything is easy enough to understand, but it's just, I don't know, they could be a little bit better. Like it is with any Mercedes, I do like the design of the interior. I talked about these air vents looking really nice, but just the overall look of everything from a big picture point of view looks good. It's a pretty handsome interior, I can't lie. I'd give it a strong 6 out of 10. If we had a little bit nicer buttons, I would consider 7, but we gotta stay at 6. So there you guys have it. Your final score is going to be 4 out of 10 for fit and finish and 6 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. Alright, so despite this car's interior shortcomings, personally, I'd still buy it. Let me tell you why. There's 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is the driving experience. So I took this car for a good like 10-15 minute test drive, got it up to speed even, and I gotta tell you, all the squeaks and rattles in this car I can completely forgive because the driving experience is just that good. Good handling car. It's kind of big and heavy though. It weighs a little over 4,000 pounds. That's not why you buy an SL though. This is a very comfortable car. I feel like it slots kind of between the AMG GT and the S-Class Cabriolet, you know, of this era. This is kind of in the middle. It's a nice blend between comfort and sport. It's a very, very nice car to drive, especially in a straight line. It's just so stable, so confident, and the power delivery is just fantastic as well. When you give it gas, it's super responsive. The gear changes are quick enough. The torque feels great. It's pretty nice to drive, I can't lie. This is an excellent touring car slash cruiser. The second reason why I'd buy this car, despite the Temu built interior, is because of the price. You know, depreciation has not been kind to these SLs, and brand new, the 550 started at a little over $100,000. This car with 55,000 miles, I thought it was 55. Yeah, 55,000 miles. This car can be yours for only 43 grand. And if you get a couple year older version of this car, like a pre-facelift, they're even cheaper. For 43 grand, this is a lot of car. At that point, I don't give a damn about the interior creaking. This car is fantastic. And it's only 43 grand. It's the same price as a fully loaded, brand spanking new, every option, like Honda CR-V. And I hear these cars are fairly reliable. I say fairly in air quotes. You know, it's still a $100,000 Benz. Yeah, no, for $43,000, don't care about the squeaks. They can, squeak all they want. They can be worse than what they are for all I care. This is a damn nice car to drive. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.